Hi, it's Cheryl from BookWidgets, and in today's teacher tip, I will show you how to print a widget activity. Navigate to bookwidgets.com, log into your account, and follow along with me. I am going to go to My Widgets and select the widget that I would like to print. In this instance, I'm going to select a quiz. Once you have the quiz open, select Preview Mode, and from Preview Mode, in the upper right, select Print. A print dialog box will open and you will select the number of pages, how many copies, landscape or portrait layout, as well as whether or not you'd like to print in black and white or color. Then navigate to More Settings, select the drop-down button, and from this menu, choose the page size, margins, and whether or not you would like any background graphics to print. Background graphics are important if you have any images that you would like to show. Want more teacher tips? Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BookWidgets Teacher Tips.